Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. Today, we're gonna talk about this pair of headphones right here. I have a custom cover on them. It is like Bordeaux, seems like more brown, but it's more red. But these are the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And of course, these are the best in-ear headphones that Apple has to offer. And I'm making this video because I have it for about 6 months right now, and so I can do a proper review for this pair of wireless headphones. So let's start with the things that I like. So first of all, you have the controls on the stem of the headphones right here. So you can kind of see it right there, but they are like soft touch. So I've heard that they are really uncomfortable. They don't work a lot of time, but in my opinion, it is one of the things that I like the most because they are working very, very good actually. And they are very, very intuitive to use. You can customize them, so you can do pretty much anything that you want with those touch controls. And most of the time I have also my Apple Watch right here, and I can just adjust, for example, the volume of the music with the Apple Watch, but sometimes you don't have always the now playing screen on your Apple Watch, and so you can just adjust the volume, change song, and all of that stuff with those touch controls. Second thing that I like about these headphones is the ability to switch very fast between a device to another, because I use, of course, my iPhone 14 Pro Max right here with these headphones, but I also use my MacBook Pro with these headphones. They are both Apple devices, and so the switch between one device to another, it's very, very fast and very, very reliable. These are the 2nd generation of AirPods Pro, and so as you may know, these have the MagSafe charge. It is a very, very small detail, but sometimes it comes very, very handy, because if you have like a third-party charger, because maybe it's not the original one, we can say, but it is compatible with MagSafe charge, you can just stick these headphones to a MagSafe compatible charger and you will not have to worry about if they are charging or maybe not. So small details, but very, very good results. Fourth thing that I like about this, they have like unlimited battery life, because I use it really all the day, because I use it for my workout, I use it for my work, and I use it for listening to music, staying on Discord, and media consuming. And I'm not lying when I'm telling you that I forgot to charge those, because I mean, they are ready every time. So they have very, very long lasting battery. And in fact, I cannot tell you the actual battery life in hours, because it's not a thing that it worth me to check it. They are always charged. They have the Find Me functionality that sometimes can come very handy if you lose those, maybe in your home, and you just want to find them with your iPhone 14, but you need an iPhone 14 if I'm not wrong. And also I think that is nice to have, it's a speaker built here down below the headphones, because you can hear the charging sound, the discharging sound, because if these are low on batteries, they do make a sound and it just worries you that they need to be recharged. Best feature, of course, it is the noise cancellation. And it's one of the best that I've tried, of course, for a pair of in-ear headphones. And I can tell you that it's working very good, because my girlfriend has the new Sony over-ear headphones that they have the best noise cancellation, because they are over-ear and they are perfect for noise cancellation. And those are just better in noise cancellation, but with this one, they are very small, they are in-ear, and they do a very, very good job. But other than that, another feature that I use instead of noise cancellation, it is transparency mode, because most of the time I need to hear what's happening around me, and so I use it pretty much every time. It is working that good that sometimes I forgot to have headphones in my ears, because they are, I mean, very light, and so in the transparency mode, you can hear perfectly around you and you cannot feel the headphones inside your ears. Spatial audio, it is a feature that a few people, I think, use it, but sometimes I like to use it when I'm listening to music, especially on Spotify, for example. I just like to turn it on, because sometimes it just feels that you are on a live concert, because you can hear better every word, you can feel the sound coming from all around you, and in my opinion, it is an underrated feature. Then of course, it is not all perfect. There are some negative things, but the most hated by me, it is the lightning port down there. It is a very, very old technology, so I don't know why Apple still use it on these devices, especially for the next year iPhone that will have the USB-C connector. I don't want to see any more lightning cable around my house or near me, so I would have preferred that these have the USB-C, but this is not the case. Fortunately, we have the wireless charge that is working very good, so I don't use lightning cable to charge these headphones like never. But just for universal compatibility, I just wish that here we had the USB-C connector. So this is my review after 6 months of these wireless headphones from Apple, and I can tell you that these are worth every penny because they are very capable, especially of course if you have Apple devices in your home. And I can also tell you that you don't need to wait for the AirPods Pro 3 because it doesn't make any sense, and especially because Apple will come out with a new model probably this year, but they will not do probably any major changes to the next model because they will add with a lot of probability the USB-C connector, of course, and so it will be just a refreshed version of this one. But for the chipset and all of that stuff, I think they will remain pretty much the same as this AirPods Pro 2. So if you were wondering to wait and buy the newest AirPods Pro 3, my suggestion is to buy this one. Maybe you can get it for like a very cheap price at the moment, especially because the newest AirPods Pro 3 will not be that much different from this one. So these were my suggestion. Then of course you decide by yourself. Anyway, that was pretty much it. If you did like this video, leave a like down below, and of course subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave a comment down below if you have one of these, if you are planning to buy the AirPods Pro 2. So let me know it down below in the comments. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.